Flexing out when the partner at the bottom keeps rolling on going. How do you kind of keep track? By walking your legs and your hands on the mat. Can you lie down, Mr. Garrison, please? Thank you. Okay. So here, you're gonna just allow your partner room to roll. Let's say he's gonna roll to his right. Okay. Just stay here for a second. Just kind of roll. Keep rolling. Yeah. You kind of look. I post the far leg, and I keep walking. Keep rolling. Keep walking. Keep rolling. Good. Very good. See that? Stop. Now flat yourself on the ground. I go back one step. When you are walking with one knee down and stepping the far leg that's posted, if he decides to flat his back, then you walk your, go back one step. You walk your knee back and you push from this leg, you retreat. Go back, do it again. Yeah, see here? Now if he starts to roll that way, then you switch. You put the knee behind the body down and post your other leg, keep rolling slow, and you go this way, look. Always, you see that? Stop. Now here, let's say you're here, okay? Now you're rolling this way, go this way, stop here. Now you're gonna roll flat on the ground. Go ahead, flat on the ground. I walk back a little bit and I put my knee flat. If it starts to roll back the other way, then I walk my hands up. I'm walking on my tiptoe. See here? Heel and tip. Right there. Stop. When he's gonna get flat, I'm gonna move, go ahead, slow, knee back. Now he's gonna roll that way. I'll switch, stop, slow please. I'll switch and then keep rolling. And I'll go that way. Go. Right here. Go slow please. Good. Stop. If he's gonna get flat, one more time. He gets flat, don't keep your leg too tight. You open your hand, go ahead, and slide your knee back, stop. And then you go back to the initial position.